traffic trouble spot. A viewer emailed our traffic expert Chuck Henson about a dangerous spot near a busy high school. Chuck has that pedestrian safety issue in Citrus Park in our traffic inbox.
A growing population at Citrus Park means more pedestrians and more drivers on the roadway, which means more education is needed for both drivers and those folks using the crosswalk.
Jessica Bowe lives near the Citrus Park Mall, so it makes sense that she'd want to walk back and forth rather than drive her car. But she says crossing Citrus Park Drive is becoming more and more dangerous.
I myself have almost been hit a couple of times. I know other people who have had the same problem.
Here's a map. Sheldon Road at Citrus Park Drive. Sickles High School is just up the road, and many of those students also cross the road here. The problem is drivers who refuse to yield to pedestrians in the crosswalk. Jessica hopes the county can help teach drivers that she has a right to be in that crosswalk.
I would like to see a sign placed to remind drivers that unless they have a green arrow, if they have a green light turning right, that you still have to yield to pedestrians.
Bob Campbell is traffic engineer for Hillsborough County. He says that's exactly what they intend to do. Hillsborough County Public Works will be installing a yield to pedestrians sign for right-turning vehicles to increase driver awareness of potential pedestrian crossings at the intersection.
And the county will let me know when that sign's been put back in place. But we want to remind everyone who uses all of our roads that vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists all have a right to be in that space and to use it effectively. As a matter of fact, in other jurisdictions in St. Petersburg,